Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung Unit 4 ng General Mathematics, which is all about exponential functions. The first lesson of Unit 4, the exponential function itself. It covers the definition and form of exponential function. An exponential function is a non-algebraic function that can be written as f of x is equal to b raised to x, where b is any constant greater than 0 but not equal to 1. That is, b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. Ang ibig sabihin nun is bawal ang negative numbers para sa ating base, bawal din ang 0 at bawal din ang 1. Sa exponential function, ang ating b is a constant number at ang ating exponent is a variable. Next, an exponential function can also be in the form of f of x is equal to e raised to x, wherein ang ating base is a constant number e, which is approximately 2.718282. Ang ating base ay constant at ang ating exponent is variable. Kapag nakakita tayo ng exponential function na ang base ay e, ito ay tinatawag na natural exponential function because ang letter e sa mathematics is a natural number. Let's have some examples of exponential functions. Number 1, we have f of x is equal to 2 raised to x. Ang ating base ay constant 2 at ang ating exponent is variable x. Number 2, we have f of x is equal to e raised to 2x. Ang ating base is a constant number e at ang ating exponent is variable 2x. Number 3, we have f of x is equal to 1/2 raised to 4x. Ang ating base is a constant number 1/2 and ang ating exponent is variable 4x. Last, we have number 4, f of x is equal to 0.08 raised to x. Ang ating base is constant 0.08 at ang ating exponent is variable x. All of these functions are exponential function because the bases are constant numbers and the exponents are variables. After knowing the definition and form of exponential function, let's try this. Determine whether the given function is an exponential function or not. Letter A, f of x is equal to 8 raised to x. The answer is, it is an exponential function because the base 8 is a constant number and the exponent x is a variable. Next, letter B, f of x is equal to 2.5 raised to 6x. The answer is, it is also an exponential function because the base 2.5 is a constant number and the exponent 6x is variable. Next, letter C, f of x is equal to x raised to 3.5. The answer is, it is not an exponential function because the base x is variable and the exponent 3.5 is constant. Meaning to say, ito ay algebraic function. Last one, letter D, f of x is equal to e raised to 2 or e squared. The answer is, it is not an exponential function because although the base e is a constant number, the exponent 2 is also a constant number. Meaning to say, itong ating function is a constant function because constant raised to a constant is a constant.